Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boss Anders coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. What going, peeps? And we're there with another
brand new banger.
banger. Yeah. But before we get in it, guys, as usual, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and all of the nice things, and because it really help out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. Anyway, right tonight.
Good day, everyone. I just wanted to come on the video and explain what is going on in Jamaica. Yes, we understand we go through a crisis. Yes, we understand COVID pandemic, and we're trying to do our best to just survive in this country. But I'm telling you, people, be vigilant. Look out on the eye, because even the places want to think of the situation, want to think of the long get into, it's gonna happen. Because people are gonna use every situation they get to scam and just say, I'm not sure that use scam, but thief, and to get as much as them can get out of people. Look at me, hardworking me. Go to the supermarket, I low. Me not tell lie. See it here, look. Me not tell lie. Cause me not come to make public mischief or anything. Me, I tell you as it is, fact, truth. I low. I go there Saturday. I have to go back Sunday morning. See it there? Look on it, people. Look. I have to go down there, Madam Mean. See it here? $12,000 change I get back. My credit card was run, but I'm going to explain in details everything what I reach. What happened. So I went to ILO yesterday for shop for the children, because I now go shop little. I just have one big shop, because a monthly I get paid, and I have to buy the things one time and make it serve. Anyway, see to your bill come to $29,695.69. Anyway, I come home, did my normal routine, did what I had to do. Then something just came to mind and said, please go through that bill. Just something just came to me this morning and said, go through the bill. And me and my niece go through the bill. When I look on the bill, something they on the bill for 11,000. I'm telling you the truth. $11,217.83. If I buy 3 it will come to $32,643.89.
What?
So me I say, which item I could have buy for $11,000? So my niece search the whole house, bathroom, everywhere pack out the sitting in the fridge, everything she can't find at the item there. So and then I said, Tina, no, this is not right. So anyway, I put on my clothes. I just come back from down there. Put on my clothes, go down there and ask the woman to tell me which item pan the bill come to. I know which item in the supermarket come to $11,000. If she show it to me, me buy it. Me pay for it if me see it. She said, no, we're gonna fix the bill for it. It's obviously an error. I said, error? Which item in the store plugged into your system costs $11,000? Show it to me. She take the bill from me and she gone one corner and she gone do this and she gone do that. Anyway, she said she rectified it, because the only thing that is not cashed on my bill is a cake I bought for my son's birthday, which is today, for $2,400. When I look, goody, her body or whatever it is, what she has said. So the cashier entered wrong code. Cashier entered wrong code. I said, okay, which coded item in your system is $11,000? Show it to me. She said it's over the bakery side. I said, what? The machine? Because this is serious. What could I be over the bakery side for $11,000? And if I bought 3 of it, it's $32,000. Which item over there? I now make the public mystery, people. I low, but No, I did not come on here to show up alone. I came on this live thing or this video to tell you that you ought to be vigilant. Search the bill, because not alone I do it. What about little people who can't read and write?
Yeah.
What about little people who can't look on the bill, the blind, the vulnerable group, the little old people them? The blue collar people are not gonna miss $500. They're not gonna miss $1,000. They're not gonna miss $5,000. If you bill big, them are gonna look like me look. But what if I never look? Who gets that money? People will have to be vigilant and care about people. Me will work so hard in wherever I work to save people's life. They must have to take my life. I must take my life. If you ever know much hours me have to work to get $11,000, you would be very, very, very sad and a cry for me. When me have to go through to earn $11,000, the hours from my foot. And then to know that somebody gonna come and be so dishonest. What item the manager could not show me the item in the store for $11,000? This is something where I bakery side. I asked her if it's a machine or the glass something for cool the item. People broadcast this. We need to look out for each other. We need to be vigilant. We need to care about people. Because even in this crisis, people don't have it. But they might make it work.
Yeah.
We cannot allow the giants to get away with these things. I'm not tell you about the wholesale situation. When we have to turn back from where I'm going, I got the item and turn back. I have to go back to this wholesale, go tell the man, say, what on this bill costs this money? Him talking in Chinese language and him give me back my change because I showed him everything that I bought. And it never took me minutes to go back to him. And it realized that he overcharged me for an item. People look out on the eye, check your bill them, because people using this opportunity to be advantageous, to just take disadvantage of people, and them earn people bills still have to pay. Yeah. The wholesale them rent have to pay. Who them going tax? Who them going cheat? People look out on the eye. Be careful. Love and peace. Thanks.
My thoughts on the whole matter. I'm just gonna be straightforward with everybody. And what kind of styling's that? Supermarket and the wholesale them are going with peeps. Be vigilant as the lady say. And based on the incident what she tell me, at the cashier they wanna take the money. At the cashier, all she wanna do, I pull it back out of the cash pan and put it in her pocket. And then the Chinese man. And what a lot of people don't know is the government say anybody that overpriced charge people, them can be fined $1 to $2 million for a company or a wholesale or whatever. If she did know that, she couldn't report them. But I guess I know so she stay. So you tell me now, well, I feel be vigilant in a them time because the people them who we not expect to do it. I do it. What kind of styling's that Jamaica? When enough people don't even have a job right now. Enough people don't really have it like that because that thing affect all the way, especially in the entertainment business, the tourism business. It's rough now, so everybody are trying to pinch where them have what kind of style that. $11,000. I know say I'm not the first time hear about that Jamaica. Big man thing. We need to do better. We can't. Now is not the time for we to break down each other, rap from each other. Now is the time we should be encouraging one another, uplifting one another. The world need healing. It don't need no more brokenness than how it's broken right now. As a matter of fact, we should be even more courteous and loving and really much just praying more than ever for one another. I'm vexed, man. I'm glad she shared this. I'm going to share this with Uno. Watch you build them and make sure you run through it. And I'm going to learn too. And I'm going to do it too. Because me as a man, I just go so boom and just buy my whole heap of things them and just put in my bag and cut. But anyway, let me know how you feel down in the comment section, guys, about this whole matter, cause it messed up. You know what I mean? So anyway, peeps, let's go on journey there, boy. Ah, shoo!
Releasing dopamine.